June and her dad are building a vegetable garden in the backyard. If the vegetable garden is going to be a rectangle, where should they place the last corner? So I see here that they already have three corners out. They have this corner, the top left, the corner in the top right, and the corner at the bottom right. So we need a corner at the bottom left. Now they're going to make a rectangle. What I know about rectangles is that opposite sides are the same length. So that means that our bottom side has to be the same length as the top side, which means it will start here and it will go across the same distance, and it will stop right at this last corner on the bottom here. Now it wants to know the coordinate point. Remember, coordinate point is x value, y value. So my first question is, how far, starting at the origin, do I go across to get to this point? And I could see that I actually don't go across at all. So it has a 0 x value. I stay there, and then I just go up 1, 2, y value of 2 for the correct coordinate point to finish our rectangle at 0, 2.